Hey guys, my name is Damon Black. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Now this video is just a quick update from my side about the course and now about a student that actually made $900 with free traffic on MaxBounty. He commented 23 hours ago on my latest video, and this is just to prove to you guys that what I teach on my YouTube channel and what I teach inside my course really does work. And all it takes is to take action, simply start and put in the work. So he commented on my latest video how to promote CPA offers with this secret traffic source, and he said, I've to say thanks to you. I followed your steps for CPA marketing and earned $900 with free traffic in MaxBounty. Thanks, dude. He said then, I watched all and tried all of it except paid method at first. Now I'm going to test paid ads. Watching videos can't make you money, bro. You need to work. And this is 100% true. You need to actually take action and follow the training. So to prove to you guys that CPA marketing isn't dead, this still works to this day, and it works with the strategies that I'm teaching. So it doesn't really matter, it doesn't make sense for me to show you proof every single video, you know, how much I made. Do you show your income to your friends or family? No, you don't. So I don't really feel comfortable. I don't have to show you how much I make every single day, but this is just to prove to you guys that it really does work. And if one of my YouTube subscribers is able to make money, I mean $900 is a pretty good amount of money with free traffic. This is 100% profit. Then yeah, this is just simply awesome, and I hope this guy takes it to the next level and scales it up. So this is just proof that anything is possible if you put your mind to it and follow what I teach. So guys, just because I don't show my proof, my earnings, doesn't mean I'm not earning money. It's just simply I don't feel like I have to show you my proof, okay? Proof of earnings. So yeah, this is just a quick update. And also I want to tell you guys that I updated my course. I added Instagram influencers a few days ago. It's called Module number 13, Instagram influencers, and I also added Craigslist. So for all you guys that are looking to spend, you know, $100, $200 on Instagram influencers, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that inside my course. So if you're thinking about getting inside and you already haven't, then don't hesitate. This actually does work. I just showed you proof. This person made about $1,000 with free traffic, which is a decent amount of money, and this is 100% scalable. So guys, make sure to hit the first link below this video if you already haven't joined the course. It's only $37, and yeah, I'm 100% willing to help you if you're stuck, if you have any further questions. And I'm 24/7 on my Facebook. I'm going to reply to all your messages. I'm just going to support you along your journey. I hope this video gave you a bit of motivation to start. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and comment down below.